Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Skinners. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, and I gotta tell you guys something. This snowstorm last night, and I gotta tell you guys something. This snowstorm, this snowstorm was really something last night. I gotta tell you guys. And I also gotta show you guys outside. Like, look at this. This is the snow that was outside today from that storm. So, all that snow right there happened just last night. Now, another thing which is really kind of interesting about this entire thing is that with with listening to the Bloomington sub on their radio frequency, there is several different areas that makes this really kind of neat. Now, now, the first website I'm wanting to show you guys is this website right here. This website is called openmaz.com. And this website pretty much tells you radio frequencies and stuff like that. Now I'll go here to 511ing.org. And then this is the NDOT traffic wise map. So if I zoom in and show you guys a couple of these areas. So on here, this is like what 67 looks like from a camera on one of theirs. This is like what Bloomfield looks like on US 231. This one is Indiana 58. And those, if you guys watch those carefully, those show some pretty neat videos. This one is Indiana 135. This one is US 50. This one's Indiana 37. So you see, through the different hours, snow has been falling. So this is 48. And you see, like on this video, that's like where it shows. And then on here, this shows sunny areas like Mile Point, both directions, bridge construction. It's Port and Charleston. I-69 at southbound mile marker 201 road work. I-465 entrance ramp, so all those are unsecured. So this is Indiana 42. This one's Indiana 59. This one is Indiana 246. So you see that road looks pretty ugly. So you see on here, this is Indiana 54. So you see on there, like right here, this is 67. Now to show you guys some stuff down there in Evansville. So you see this one's on 61. And you see that one's pretty much cleaned up. This is on 62. Which 62's looking pretty much clear. 66. 65. Here's the Fernan exit right here. Here is like 257. And then, like the Odin area, we got I-69 snow camera, which if we click on that right here, I could show you guys like what this looks like. So you see like right there, that's what that looks like. And then on here also, so also like on here, we got this in Gosport on 67, so my Gosport watchers. We got for like Connorsville. This one's on 421. Then down there near this area, you see that road's pretty much picked up. This is Switzerland County, so you see a little bit of Dearborn. So you guys also got like right here. This is 362, so you see that road's pretty much cleaned. This road needs a little bit more done on right there. That's I-64. And also, we got this guy right here on 66. And we also got this one. This one's pretty much pulled up in his garage. And that stream's not available because pretty much right now everywhere. So that's what 58 looks like going down the French Lick. This one's Indiana 43. So you see like right here, this is how bad 43 looks like. Then like also like on here, showed you Gosport. Now I'm going to show you guys one of these. So that's what 59 looks like. 67. Which I'll put this website on here because this website is such a great website for people that live in Indiana that watches my channel. So also another thing, you guys, that up there is like what the DMZ looks like in North Korea. So pretty much the stuff that I've been watching this, I've been listening to the snow traffic, I've been watching the news. So last night my county was under the red, so red status means a travel warning, so nobody was allowed to move from this area to go find out, which is honestly really kind of interesting by all means. So so also another thing, you guys, whenever you guys go like walk around and like go check those out, you guys got so much to do in like so many like different areas, which is honestly really kind of interesting by all means. Now, another thing is to let you guys know. Now, also, it is really important for anybody that is like checking these places out. It's like really important for new people like yours truly to go look at stuff like this because he really does like like history and stuff, which honestly history is like such a big deal in our lives right now, which is honestly really kind of interesting. Now now these radio shows are not only for like files and stuff, you guys can listen to like the airport police. Sometimes you guys can go listen to several different areas like those, which is honestly really kind of neat. Now, if I turn you guys back around to my computer, this right here is like what the NASCAR operations looks like there at the Dayton International Speedway. Now, if we click on this, you see there is pretty much a lot of different stuff that you guys can listen to in this area. Now, if we click on the Dayton International Speedway, you see they got one encrypted channel on there. I bet you that encrypted channel right there is only for like the people that is going around there and like wanting to go check that out. Now, also, if I click on Indiana and if I go here to Hamilton and I show you guys this, there's a couple stuff on here. This is Indiana University, so you guys see Sarah repeater, then Sarah repeater 3, Sarah Carmel. So you guys got a lot of different areas to go see, which is honestly really kind of interesting. Now, I hope you guys like this video because I put so much research into this. So if you guys aren't into my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And if you guys have already subscribed, thank you very much for choosing my channel. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.